I hope you have crafted your, tell me about yourself pitch in the previous, Google form link. So now let's look at how to craft your tell me about yourself pitch. Okay. There are various ways of, answering the question, tell me about yourself. Um, my only tip for you would be that be authentic, be yourself while you're answering this. Now, you don't have to follow a script. What I am urging you to think of is to have in your pitch these 5 points which we will discuss. Okay. Now, these 5 points, if you look at my Word document, are it starts with your professional identity. Okay. So if you are a finance graduate, you would say, my name is, XYZ. I am currently pursuing MBA in finance from Amrita School of Business. And then you move to unique strengths. What are your unique strengths vis-a-vis the job that you're applying? Okay. Now, you have to basically articulate the qualities that the recruiter is looking for in a candidate. And also those qualities should differentiate you from others. Now, I have given a very simple example for a unique strength is let's say I am an insurance company, okay, and I have come to hire management trainees. So if I were applying for that, I would say I have exposure to selling insurance products to high net worth individuals in semi-urban areas, okay. And in between, I'll also pitch that I'm fluent in English, Hindi, Tamil, and Malayalam, which basically means that I am a candidate who has exposure in selling your products, and I am a candidate who has, who's fluent in these many languages, owing to which you can post me in any of these locations. Okay. So that is unique strengths. Okay. And then you have to talk about your expertise. Now, what is expertise? During COVID, you would have done a lot of certifications from Coursera and various other, websites like Udemy and other places. I hope that you have done those certifications. You should basically pitch yourself as an expert in the domain that the company is trying to hire. Okay. Now, you should pitch yourself as an expert in the domain that the company is looking for, right? So in this example, let's say if I'm a insurance company that has come to hire, and I am the candidate, I would basically say that I am an IRDA certified expert in retail insurance sales to high net worth individuals. Or I would say I have a certification in data analysis using Python. So whatever certifications you have, try to tie into the job that they have come to hire you for. Okay. So that they should know that, yes, this guy is an expert. He will hit the ground running. Okay. That is what he or she, I'm sorry, it is he or she will hit the ground running. And then comes the type of organizations or environments you have worked for. During your internship, I'm sure few of you would have done internships in startups, right? Or in a large MNC. Some of you would have done it in large MNCs like Tata or any of them. So in those cases, you should stress the environments that you have worked for, because most of these companies, they will look for people who have worked in similar organizations, right? Similar work environments, basically. So in this case, an example that I have posted is I have worked as an intern for large multinational organization like Tata. Okay. And then comes the final punch, the knockout punch. Okay. Which is nothing but you have to state your key achievements. Okay. During your internship or your past work experience. Okay. So it could be that you have sold something, or you came up with a predictive model for non-performing assets, or it could be during your internship you have sold some amount of products from those companies. You should mention those. Okay. So in this example, in this document, I have given as an example of during my internship I sold insurance worth 4 lakhs. Now, what does that achievement do? It basically cements your credibility, and basically clearly tells the recruiter that you are a material that they need to hire. Okay. Now, to summarize, your tell me about yourself pitch can have, I mean, need not be a scripted pitch, but it should have these 5 elements. One is your professional identity. Two is your unique strengths that you possess. Three is your expertise. Four is the types of organizations or environments you have work exposure or work experience. Then the third or the last one, fifth one, is your achievement during your internship or your past work experience. Okay. Now, as a post session work, I would like you to create your tell me about yourself pitch. Okay. I will send, I mean, I'll share the Google, doc, for this document. I want you to basically type out your tell me about yourself pitch first, and then you should record yourself, speaking your tell me about yourself pitch. Okay. Before actually recording it using your mobile phone or asking your friend to record, you should first try to do a tell me about yourself pitch at least 2 or 3 times in front of the camera, in front of the mirror. Okay. Once you do it in front of the mirror, you will feel a bit confident, and then you can ask a friend to record, or your family or relative or friends to record, and then share it through a Google Drive with me, wherein I can comment on it. Okay, comment on it. As an additional bonus to this module, I will share with you students tell me about yourself pitch. His name is Abhishek, and he is the 21 pass out batch from Amritapuri, a very brilliant student, and he's been very kind enough to give me the permission to share this video with you, his tell me about yourself pitch video with you. Please have a look into his video and see how he has crafted his tell me about yourself pitch, so that you can take inspiration from it and then create your own tell me about yourself pitch. Okay, so thank you so much. Hope to review your tell me about yourself pitch. Thank you.